Hi everyone, this is Jenna. For today's lunch, I'm making plant-based meatball spaghetti. Previously, I uploaded a video making 144 vegan meatballs. I have them here, and I'll be using these meatballs to make a nice vegan meatball spaghetti. If you haven't seen my previous video, make sure to check. And let's get started. So here I've got my vegan meatballs. I'll move them into a little bowl. The only thing is that it's hard. So I'll just put it out for a while to kind of defrost it. Making lots of vegan meatballs are really useful because you can have it with potatoes or you can just make spaghetti, as I'm doing now. I'm gonna use maybe 7 because they are so small. And for the tomato sauce, I'm gonna use this whole tomato, one onion, black pepper, a little bit of peperoncino, and herb salt. The first step to make the tomato sauce would be to chop the onion. Oh my god, this onion is really spicy. I can barely open my eyes. I'm crying.